good on there? Yeah. What up, y'all? It's your boy WhipAddict, man. Got my homie Pooh, man, with another hit. Restored 57 with the wheels and all. What up, my boy? There you go. With another one. What up, Pooh? Finally seeing it, big. Big 8.
My boy.
In the city.
What's up, Lil Will?
Hey. He don't do that.
Pretty little gray on that night.
Checking out the car too. Just checking out the whip. Alright, man, so this is the same dude that had the GTO. Sold that, cop this immaculate 57. This bitch immaculate.
Got me. Got a lot of dogs be out here, Will. That shit gonna be cold, nigga.
Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Crank this bitch up one time.
They know what's going on. They gonna stop playing.
Yo, man, that boy got another one, man. Bought it fully restored, clean factory.
You know it's coming to get the polish.
Oh, okay.
Like, you know it's coming to get the polish.
Rick Ross, and they ain't take but one pump.
That bitch sound great though.
Fuck that shit, man. Hey, God damn. That's all you can say.
It's just.
Nobody.
You gotta let him come to you.
I probably got, you know what I did? This one right here?
Yeah.
This was on the bottom, and the bottom was on the top.
Ooh.
You see what I'm saying? So the bottom one was, a lot, yeah, it was turning 18 pounds. That's why it was so easy for me to do it.
Oh, wow.
That's why it was so easy for me to do it. And so now it's my first time trying this shit now. So now I have to actually, like you said, bro, I would have to actually hold and put the boost up.
Oh, okay.
It's coming in at 18 pounds, it's just already right there. I can just get in that bitch, she out of there. But now since I got it the right way, the boost don't be up to 5,000 RPM. That's what the boost I building in to go.
Oh, I heard that bitch got COVID.
See, I got the napkin dispenser right here.
Oh, wow. That's for 57?
Uh-huh.
Hell no, ain't no bitch got napkins.
You know what I'm saying? The detail and the engineer, it was just at a max. Like,
You want to get some highway footage?